Hey guys, it's me Lena and welcome to my video. First off, let me say that I don't do makeup, okay? So this is the I don't do makeup, no makeup tutorial. Got it? Got it. Okay. So to start, this is my little eyebrow kit that I got from the beauty supply. And I don't know what brush to use to put my eyebrows on. So I'm just going to use this here Q-tip and it's going to work out fine for me, okay? Okay. So I just dipped it in the little dark brown powder that was in the eyebrow makeup little palette thing. And I'm just using dark brown because if I use black, I'm going to look a little scary probably. I don't like the super black dark eyebrows and I don't like crazy eyebrows. So I just want to fill them in just slightly a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here with my trusty Q-tip. So now I'm just taking my black eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to line the bottom and try to give it a more crispier look, I guess. Just make it look a little bit even and nicer. That's about the best I can do with these, okay? Oh yeah, I know what to do with this brush right here. This gonna straighten them out and blend them together right here. And I don't know what this brush is for, but I'm going to use it to put this concealer under here, which I'm quite sure is way too light for me, but I just grabbed one because I had saw something online that you're supposed to put this light stuff up under there to make it pop a little bit. So I just grabbed one. I didn't know what color to grab, and wow, this is what we got here. Okay, so this right here is a little foundation sample that I got from Sephora when you go get the little skin color match test thing done. So they give you some foundation that match your color. And I guess they did pretty good. I don't really know, y'all, because I don't do makeup. And you're supposed to have like one of them little sponges and like pat blended in there. But I ain't have one of those. So I'm just going to use this tissue right here and try to pat that in a little bit. But then I'm kind of lazy, so I'm getting a little tired. So I'm just going to rub it in. I know they say you're not supposed to rub it, but it takes too long patting. So I'm just going to rub with this tissue and hope it work out. Okay, yep. Now I think after that you're supposed to do some type of contour, but I ain't had that contour stuff. That's like light and dark, right? So I think this is another eyebrow kit. It has some light powder stuff in there, so I'm just gonna use that and try to hit them highlight spots right there. And oh shit, that went bad. That do not look good, y'all. I look like a ghost that just scared a ghost or something. Like, and then I'm rubbing with the tissue. Like, okay, let's try to blend this in. And it was not going nowhere. I'm trying to rub it off, rubbing with my greasy hands. Yeah, that wasn't good. Don't use that. Don't use that. So I'm just gonna take this piece of tissue and wet it a little bit and try to dab some of that off there like that. So make sure y'all keep y'all some tissue on hand when y'all doing y'all makeup, okay? Because that tissue be working out for me. And y'all, please don't come up in my comments talking about what products is those that you're using and stuff, because I have no idea. It's just random shit I done picked up out the beauty supply just because. Because again, I don't do makeup. I barely wear makeup. Only thing you're gonna see me on is trying to fill them eyebrows in a little bit. A little mascara sometimes and some lip gloss, but that's about it. That's all I know how to do. Also, yeah, this lip gloss right here from the Beauty Supply. And I'm rubbing it on, and this shit was sticky as hell. And I'm like, nope. Time to grab my trusty Carmex. Yep, that's all I need right there. Just get me together. Yep, keep y'all some Carmex. Okay, here I am. I'm good. Yep, took the scarf off. Poppin'. Thanks for watching my makeup, no makeup, I don't do makeup tutorial. See you guys in the next video.